Sport Fishing Club. I've got a bit of a roundup for the
bait school over
for
here.
you. Well, a bit more than a bit today. It's but one day, so the results are getting towards their conclusion. So I'll give you a bit
Couple
more
of live
detail.
baits out.
Anyway, Rob is really happy.
This is Tom Mullins, early in the morning, day 2 of the Nationals. Boats everywhere. It's Spirits up there, and the King's way down there, and you can see a few boats are already getting out. It's pretty rough this morning. Last night was shocking, probably 35 knots at times, real howling. That's not a bad bait ball there, and say 200 metres of water.
Hard to hang on to without a bill, eh? I was trying to take the hook out of one once. No bill and it's biting me.
Oh, we can't get the hook out of that one, and there's a tag still in it too.
Oh, hello.
123. Ooh, hot damn.
I'm a bit concerned that we didn't have enough tag for you.
Nice bit of bait there. That's what we look for. She's a bit shitty out here today now. Carry and Mahai's the beach you can see. Down to Cape Kerikeri. All sitting in the back. Marlin. And Happy Boy. Oh, is that it? Oh, shame. Nice mark, eh? Here he comes. Hit him with that tag pole. Got him? Tagged him. Good stuff. Just grab the lure. Got the lure?
Yep.
Cut that cunt off. If you can get the hook, get it.
Thanks, Bob.
Oh, yeah, baby. Well done.